I dobrodošli na moj YouTube kanal. Danas ćemo igrati SOMU. Ova igrica piše u opisu da je nešto kao Amnesia i Penumbra Overture, a to su meni najbolji horori koje sam ikada igrao, a ako ih nikada niste igrali preporučam. Ova je izašla 2015. ako se ne varam, ja je nisam igrao, tako da ću igrati na ovome YouTube kanalu i nadam se da ćete uživati u njoj.
Are you okay, Simon? I think you're bleeding.
Oh, that's nothing. It's just my brain can't stop bleeding from the accident.
Here, take this.
No, that's for later, for the scan.
It's green.
Ashley, I need to tell you something.
Simon, please don't make this weird.
No, it's not like that. Why now?
Who's David Munchie?
Why is there never enough time?
For what?
Christ.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm up.
Hi, Simon Jarrett?
Yeah, that's me.
My name is David Munchie. We spoke earlier.
The brain scan. I remember.
Are you alright?
Yeah, just a bad dream. Are we still on for today?
Yeah, that's why I'm calling. I wanted to remind you to drink the tracer fluid I sent you. It'll help me capture a better image of the damages.
Don't worry, I got it somewhere.
Okay, great. Well, I'll see you in a couple of hours then.
Okay, see you soon.
Ok. Sviđa mi se za sad. Ok.
Hey Simon, it's Jesse. You working this weekend or what? I knew there was something you were doing. Was it this weekend or next? Anywho, just shoot me a mail or something. Love you, miss you, mean it.
End of messages.
I swear, that guy has the memory of a goldfish.
I even sent an email to remind him, didn't I?
Ok, so. Dobro. Što je ovo? Ok.
Where did I put the tracer fluid?
Dobro, što se trebamo raditi? Da, ovo je sve kao na Amnesia.
Radioactive tracer fluid, where are you?
A trebam naći.
I really should drink the tracer fluid before I go see Dr. Munchie.
To nije to. Gdje bi to moglo biti? To? Već smo zaopali, nisam ti počeo. Ništa. Opa. Pa gdje bi to moglo biti? Ovdje. Ne. Taj dio sakre. Opa. Lijepo mogu skočiti. Još uvijek ne mogu naći.
Summer's coming. Hope it's a good one.
Sviđa mi se ovo.
Don't want to keep the doctor waiting. I'll shower when I get back.
Pametno. Sam da nađem ovo.
There it is.
Evo, konačno. Mislim, na obično mjesto je bilo.
Feels like milk, but the taste, it's like sucking out a penny.
Idemo. Dobro. Idemo posjetiti doktora. Opa, već smo ovdje. Došli me.
Jesse,
Simon, what's up? I want to check if you're coming to the store today.
maybe later. I got the brain scan thing, remember?
That's today.
You knew you'd forget.
I'm sorry. Just send me a mail next time. I need these things in writing. You know that.
You know how we sell calendars? You should get one.
I have one. I just never write anything in it.
Maybe I'll swing by later. Depends on how long this scan thing takes.
That's cool. I'll just get Chris to help me out. Anyway, we're getting a new minion today. Thought you might want to come by, say hi.
Replacing Ashley already? That was quick.
No, it really wasn't. We've been understaffed for weeks, and you know it.
I guess it's been a while.
It really has. Like, a month already? Anyway, get the scan done, get good news from the doctor or whatever, come down to the store, say hi to the new guy, and lunch is open.
Thanks, Jesse. I really appreciate your support.
Don't want to replace another minion.
That's not funny.
It's a little funny.
No, it's not. Bye, Jesse.
See you later.
Ok, treba naći nove prijatelje. Ne sviđa mi se taj. Dobro. I s ovim smo gotovi. Ja čekam kada dođe neki strašan dio. Do sada je već dosadno. Mislim da je i vama. Makar mislim da ću požaliti ove riječi, ali kao što sam je rekao.
Dr. Munchie? Where is everyone? I thought this place would be busy. This is the place, right? It must be. Let's just call Munchie real quick. Great. And his phone turned off. That's okay. I can figure this out.
Ovdje nutra možda ima kao o alien isolation. Ok, znači ostavio je negdje. Ali gdje? Sigurno unutra negdje. Ovdje 2501 i mislio sam 2501 tako je. Shift WTF. Nigdje ne možemo. Neće ništa puknuti. Ne znam što treba. Ovdje. Ništa. O, mogu ovdje netko.
Oh, hi. Didn't hear you come in. Simon Jarrett, right?
Dr. Munchie?
Well, it's just Mr. Munchie, but I'm working on it. Actually, you're helping me right now.
Is this part of your thesis work?
Yeah, it's a study I'm doing with my colleague Paul Berg. We hope to design a gentle way to work with brain reconstruction to help people like you. Oh, did you take the tracer fluid?
Yes. Yes, I did.
Great. Well, we can start whenever you're ready.
Pretpostavljam da idem.
All right, let me just get this out of the way. You are Simon Jarrett, correct?
Right.
Toronto, Canada, Munchie. Born 1988, July 16th.
Right.
Flat neurograph, version 6. Good. All files in order.
Will this hurt?
It's just a scan. It'll hurt about as much as getting your picture taken.
Indians thought cameras would steal their souls.
That's so. Well, let's hope they're wrong. Ready? Say cheese.
Cheese. Okej. I što sad? Nemam baš neki dobar predosjećaj.
What happened?
Evo se u mojoj glavi i...
Hello? Mr. Munchie? Did something go wrong?
What the fuck? Nisam na to.
Who is this place?
Pretpostavljam da ovo sad
How did I get
strašni dio. Sad ne znam, je li to sve u mojoj glavi ili je to stvarno. Inače ovu igricu ne volim gledati onako prije nego ju igram na YouTube ili nešto, tako da nemam pojma o čemu se radi. O, možda mogu razbiti ovdje već. Tako. Oh yes. Ne znam kamo uopće treba ići.
It's working better than expected. They're having a really hard time getting the doors open.
I'll permaseal as many as you can, rather not take any chances.
Roger. Did you cut off the factory floor?
How did I do that?
What the fuck? Ok, ovo baš da sad nije predsjećano nižu, osim opcija ovih. pojma ni kome idem. To su neki psi, roboti, što je to?
Hey you. Can you talk? Can you talk like the others?
What the fuck? Šta je to? Čujete ovo? Psst. Nemam baš neki da predosjeća. Ovdje pretpostavljam. Ili ne. What the fuck? Čujem nekoga. What the fuck? Netko je ovdje. Trebam ići ovdje ili... Mrak je, ništa ne vidim. Što je ovdje se dogodilo? Aha, to je znači pa nešto za hakiranje, koliko sam shvatio. Evo. Ok. Baš moram biti ovdje, ja. Ništa. Ne znam kamo treba ići. Ne, kakve mape ili nešto. Bar mogu pokrenuti svijetu. Ovdje još nisam. Evo, valjda to moram nekako pa s nećemo. Evo. Pravo ću za ovim. To je to. Sada neke škare ili ključ možda čak. Izvoli. Ovako. Ne znam šta treba, ovdje je isto. Ovdje je, ja sam budal. Što je to? Ne treba doći. Neće. Odajmo se. Oh.
Ah, shit!
Ne trebamo doći dolje. Vidimo što ima ovdje. Može. Nije ovdje. Da pretpostavljam da je ovdje. Nažalost. Ajde ako se vratim tamo. Možda ima nešto. To smo već bili. Nema ničeg pametnog. To je ovo. Ovdje već nismo bili. Aha, tu smo došli. A možda sad možemo.
Service console Upsilon 3, including pilot seat, activated.
Okay.
I know they told you that field technicians would get...
Možda smo sad nešto napravili, to je verzija 3.02 i ovo je 2.5. Znači, to je to.
I know they told you that field technicians would get full access throughout Pathos 2. I'm here to tell you that's not gonna happen. Don't get me wrong, I don't want to get in your way. We need you guys to keep this place up and running. But there needs to be at least some level of security on these things. I don't want to hear you barge into some quarantined area at Omicron and just knocked out the whole place with some virus or whatever the hell they're doing over there. This is what you can do. You'll be able to use it to open doors, basically all of them. If you can't, there's something wrong or someone didn't want you in there. Then what do? You shove that Omni tool into a terminal and see if you can't get around it somehow. I mean, sometimes you'll need to get into places where you don't belong. Just find a way. You're an engineer for crying out loud. What else? Take care of your gear. Don't be an asshole. That's about it, really. My name is John Strohmeyer, Pathos 2 security operative. I got an office at Theta. Come see me if you got any issues you can't handle yourself. Good luck.
Ok, ovaj nam je objasnio. Treba da trebam naći neki čip ili nešto. Ne znam. Što je to? Fuck you. Što sad? Mogu dobiti sve urađe natrag. O, čip. To nije taj. A, to je taj. Oh yes. Ok, ovo je ovo dosta teško.
Toolchip security cipher updated.
Thank you. Sad možda možemo ići tamo. To nije to. Ok, dosta je jezivo i mračno, a nemam nikakvu svjetiljku pa vi baš ne vidite, pretpostavljam. Ne znam. Hoćete netko ovdje tamo? Ali ja ne znam ko nas juri ili što. To je malo problem. A možda je bolje da ne znam. Postavljam neki robot ili nešto. Ovdje je otvorio ovo vrata. To je to. Čekaj, mi smo ispod vode, WTF. Što je to? Zašto smo mi ispod vode? Ovo je jezio. Ok, ovo je dosta jezio. Ovo bi čak moglo biti gore nego ovom niža koja mi je isto bila dosta strašna. Ovdje je safe i ovdje ću završiti ovaj prvi video ove nove horror igrice, mislim na ovome YouTube kanalu. Ako ste uživali, stavite like i subscribe i vidimo se u sljedećoj epizodi. Uživajte!